Can't afford new Smyrna Beach? Same. Welcome to Edgewater, where you can still smell the salty air, but your wallet doesn't file for bankruptcy. A rare 2-car garage, perfect for storing your car or that emotional baggage you're dragging into the next part of your life. An open concept living space, so you can yell at your kids from literally anywhere. Fresh paint throughout, because nothing covers up poor life decisions like a nice coat of agreeable gray. 2 tubs to cry in, because one mental breakdown spot just isn't enough these days. A lush green backyard, so your kids can play while you mindlessly scroll through TikTok. All jokes aside, this 3-bedroom, 3-bath home with a 2-car garage is a rare find in between US 1 and the river.